Hi, I'm Gerald. So in detail, I will show you what all different types of verticals we have and what all models are there, how it's beneficial to the customer. So in detail, like we do a walkthrough over here. So in wash basins, we have different concept as well. So starting from the tabletop models. So I'll just tell you, these are like tabletop models. So we have a tabletop, countertop, wall-hung concept, wall-hung with pedestal concept, wall-hung with full pedestal, complete freestanding, semi-recessed, under counter. These are all different concepts which customer likes. As per that, we give it to them. So whatever you're seeing on this table, we call this as a tabletop models with different designs, designer ranges model, circular model, square model. Basically, we match with the showers as well. Like if they is going for this square concept, we give a complete square concept. If it's going for circular concept, completely square circular concept we give. I'll show you one square concept, so we'll understand a little better. So whatever you're seeing here, we call this as a square concept called series called Cubics Prime. So whatever shower area is completely square, from the overhead shower, hand shower, spout, even the outer part will be the square. It's kind of a complete concept. Even the whirlpool also we give in square, water closet, even the wash basins. This is about water closet and the wash basin. So wash basin, we call this as a countertop. Countertop is nothing but you get a slab, you cut it and put it inside. Only the rim part is visible. We call this as a countertop. And whatever you're seeing there, we call that as a tabletop model. It comes above the table. We call that as a tabletop model. And whatever it fixes to the wall, something like this, we call this as a wall mounted wash basin with integrated concept. It's kind of a single piece. Same thing you get with wall-hung with half pedestal, wall-hung with complete pedestal, full pedestal, and I'll show you a freestanding concept also. Wall-hung with full pedestal concept. So same thing you get wall-hung with half pedestal as well, with different series.